This is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a really easy braided cowl scarf. So let's get started. I'm going to work with a large hook, 9mm, and you can either work with a chunky yarn such as this or Bernat chunky, or Karen Chunky Cakes, which is another chunky yarn, or 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. And we're going to make 3 strips, 1, 2, 3, so 3 strips, approximately 28 to 30 inches long. So start with this foundation chain and work any number of stitches that you like. So I'm just going to do a small section here so you can see how easy this is to make. So work a foundation chain, and then you'll start working back on your foundation chain, and you'll single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn, working in the back side of the stitch only. This chain 1 takes the place of that first stitch, so you'll start working in this second stitch. So single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, but working only in that back side of the stitch. And you're just going to keep repeating this row until you have a strip. And I worked a total of 8 rows. And so again, at the end of every row, you'll just chain 1 and turn, single crochet across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. And that's how it will look. For this one, I worked 2 strands of worsted weight yarn, and here it is in my chunky yarn. So just continue to work row after row until you've worked 8 rows, and you'll make 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you'll make 3 identical strips like this, and then we're going to join them at one end. Okay, so here are the ends of my strips, and I'm going to place them together like this. And I threaded my longest yarn end into my needle. So you're going to place those together like that. And then you'll take the third strip and you'll position it centered over those 2 on the bottom, like that. And I'm just going to sew these together. So I'm just going to bring my yarn back over to here. And I'm going to sew across here. Like that, I have all 3 attached together. And now I'm just going to form a loose braid. So I have this one in the center. I'll bring this one to the center. And then I'll cross this one over. And then I'll just continue to do that all the way down. Like that. And now after you have the 2 ends sewn together, you can either attach these like that to form a tube, or you can just pin it closed with a shawl pin. And I've sewn mine together here. And you're going to add a shawl pin just for accent. And I'll put a link below on how to make your own shawl pins. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make this braided cowl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.